guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all happy and healthy. So today I'm actually going to talk about some planner supplies that I would recommend for a beginner. So if that is something that interests you and you would like to see it, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and we'll get straight into the video. Okay, so for the first one that I would suggest for a beginner, the obvious one, and that is to get a planner. I honestly started out with, no joke, a planner that I had found at the news agency in my country town, very small country town, mind you. And one day, I don't know what happened, I found the planner. I only just started getting into planning itself, and I found this beautiful little pink planner that had this beautiful planner that was embossed into it, and I absolutely fell in love with it. And then my planner collection just kind of spread like crazy, and I absolutely loved it. And it was just one of those moments where I fell in love with planning, and it's just escalated to this now where I have so much and just so much love for it. So yeah, so I would definitely recommend getting a planner. It does not have to be something super expensive. Honestly, the one that I found was like 12 bucks. That was a bargain because it was on clearance and everything, and that's all you need. You just need a planner that makes you feel happy to be in it. If you find something as cheap as $12, I honestly reckon, just if you're beginning, find something that's not so expensive, something that's very cheap, just to see whether planning is really for you. So yeah, find a planner cover that you really like and really can see yourself using, and then you can find other choices that are much more, you know, I suppose, of quality and much more of an aesthetic vibe. Okay, so the second one that I would suggest for a beginner, and that is to invest in some of these sticky notes. This is actually from Made Paper Co. I would recommend the inbox one only because you can write anything on it, to be honest. I do have a discount code with them if you would like to use it, so I will leave them in the description down below. But I would suggest sticky notes. You just need, honestly, only one good one. You can get them from Officeworks. That's how I started out. I would go to the Reject Shop, where else? There's Target, there's Big W, there's even online stores through Etsy, through just planner pages, really, even if you find it. But I would definitely suggest getting some sticky notes, because when you use sticky notes, you can chuck them literally anywhere. You can chuck them on the front here, you can chuck them, you can even use them for decoration, you can use them in your weekly, your monthly. Hang on, I'll see if I can find one that I was using. I apparently do not have it here. So there's one here, as you can see, that I would use as a sticky note. I have so many multiple colors, but if I was to choose something else that you could use, it would definitely be sticky notes, because you can just write it down on here and then chuck it in your planner anywhere you like, just to kind of, you know, show you that this kind of needs to be done, or just a little reminder, if you know what I mean. The third one that I would suggest is to get yourself a good pen. Now, I used to get just one of those cheap ones that you can find from Kmart or from the Target, Big W. Look, you can find a pen anywhere and it'll be good. I've heard apparently Papermate is very good, so if you want a pen that's really good, I would suggest those. But if you're really looking for something that's fantastic, I swear by this Zebra Sarasa clip pen from Made Paper Co. This one is 0.31. I love it because it is fine tip, and it makes me just write absolutely neat. Nice and beautiful as well. I'll see how I've got these here. They just look really nice and neat. My writing, to me, just looks super neat when I have this pen. Quick drying as well, so yeah, I would suggest finding yourself a very good pen that doesn't smudge and feels really good to write with. The fourth one that I would suggest is the highlighting pens. Now, if you can get yourself some kind of highlighting pen, I would totally recommend the Tombow ones. I just find that they are very flush and smooth on the paper. You can get them in many, many colors. I love the neutral ones just because it suits my planning method. I cannot tell you how much I love this Tombow one. This one is the 942, I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct. If not, it'll be down below in the description bar. But yeah, I absolutely love this one, as you can see, because it's a nice neutral caramel color. Anything that is neutral, I'm all for. So yeah, if you would like something to kind of help you with your planning, I would suggest a highlighting pen of whatever color you desire. And it can just help your planning just go that extra length where you can highlight things off. You can also use it as trying to make sure, whoops, pulling off my little girl. You can use it as a checkbox. There's so many ways you can use the highlighting pens that it just works. So I definitely recommend getting yourself a highlighting pen. The fifth one that I would suggest is to actually get some good quality inserts. And the reason behind that is sometimes having too much of a cheap paper, at first it is okay, but then you kind of go, oh, you know what, this is just, it's not that great, it's not so good. I was obsessed with the Kiki K stuff, but unfortunately they do not provide for other sizes. But for a person that does do all kinds of sizes, and I cannot tell you how much I absolutely am obsessed with her shop. I'm not joking. Once you buy or purchase something from her, you're going to be hooked. I'm telling you, you're going to be hooked. And that is, of course, May Paper Co. As you can tell, everything I have right now is May Paper Co. I love her stuff so much. It's not even funny. Her paper is this beautiful thickness, but not too thick. And it's just high quality, and that's what I love about her insert. So I would recommend getting a good quality insert. So yeah, if I was to choose somebody that does amazing and good quality for a planner insert, that would be May Paper Co. So definitely go and check her out. Again, I'm pretty sure I've already mentioned this, but I do have a discount code, and I'll leave that all down below for you. And lastly, I would suggest getting yourself some good stickers. If I was to choose one sticker for you to try out or use when it comes to planning, it would have to be the sticker dots. I think the sticker dots are very functional in a planner. You can use them any way that you desire, and it just works. So for me, when it comes to using the sticker dots, I love to use them in my monthly section just to kind of color code and show me what is needing to be done. So as you can see, I have the grey one for bills, and then I've got this creamy color. I only just finished these dots, and that's for Afterpay. Now I think I've made a little section where, yeah, I did a little color coding on a sticker note here, but it tells me what is what, and I've got the sticker dots there to tell me that bills is grey, Afterpay is pink, school holidays is the nude color. That will obviously go over into the next month when I put the new ones in. But that's how I use the sticker dots as well. I also use them as something in my planner. So as you can see, I've got it as a bill there telling me that this is happening. That's what's going to be happening for that day. It needs to be paid. And I have it throughout my week as well. So there you have it, lovelies. That is the planner supplies that I would suggest for beginners. I really do hope that these tips have kind of helped you in deciding on what you think would be perfect to buy as a first thing for a first-time planner. Let me know down below if these helped or if you need a little bit more help. I'm all open for a comment and talking to you guys and helping you find something that you feel like you need more help with. So definitely let me know down below in the comments. Friendz. Thank you for taking the time out of your day in watching these videos. I really do appreciate it. I am always happy to help anyone that needs it. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to be positive and give love. Bye!